Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a luxury unboxing haul. And you guys know, like, I do these like maybe every season, maybe twice every season. This time I got some things that I know for a fact I'm going to be wearing all the time because one, it's all black, and you guys know all black goes with everything, and two, yeah, I just love whatever I got. If you know, you know, and if you don't, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, then DM me. You have to be following me, then DM me if you guys want to know more information or if you have any questions or concerns. This was very much on point with this. But with that being said, let's get started with this unboxing. First thing I want to show you guys is my new bag. As you can see, it's Chanel. You guys know I love Chanel. Chanel's like one of the best brands ever, but their pricing is like, y'all can calm down now. Like, I understand like y'all are like one of the leaders when it comes to like luxury brands, but chill on the prices. I feel like they really shouldn't be that expensive just yet, at least. But I had to get me a top handle, and I believe this is one of their newer top handles. I'm trying to remember if this recently came out or not, but I know they have many different colors in this, but I decided to get black because, like I said, black goes with everything and you can fit so much in here. I was wearing this on my little vacation that I had. Of course, I get the typical Chanel cards and receipts and all of that, and got my bag, and I love their dust bags. You can be very versatile with them. Put some shoes in here, put, you know, whatever in here, and they're just really good quality. I just love this bag so much. So actually, let me just open this and take out this part. On the top right here, it does say Chanel in gold, but the thing about this is, like, I have something like this already, but I think it's like an older version or a different design. It's like a bubblegum pink, but next time I want to get something like this but in a baby pink. It would be so cute for the spring and summer, or something like a violet type of color or lavender bag like this. I don't know if you guys can see, but right here it has like quilted lines in the Chanel name. It's not saying Chanel in like plain letters, you know what I mean? And with this part right here, actually I'm gonna record like the little details of it for you guys, like up close, because I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up. But it's also having that quilted part right here too. It's like this right here, but it's on the gold part too, which makes it very unique. And it has the same thing on the CC logo here. And yeah, it doesn't have it on the chains. It's gonna look this long, and this is short girl friendly for sure, because I worn this as a crossbody, and you guys know I don't really like crossbodies like that, but with this was very much approved by me. I did get this in the lambskin. I don't think this is caviar. Like, lambskin's like very soft, and the caviar is more like a, you know, sturdier type of material. But as you can see, it's really shiny and it's so freaking pretty. It has a pocket in the back, and I put mainly my phone in here, and the bottom looks like this. I just noticed right here it does have that quilted type of design, that X quilted type of design like it has right here, but obviously it's not like puffy looking because it is on the metal. But hope you guys get the description of what I'm saying about this bag. But yeah, this is what it looks like. On the inside, it has the CC, then it says Chanel Paris right here, and this is how it looks like on the inside too. Has a zipper right here. Inside of the zipper is just black, just everything's black. And right here it has two pockets and a little lipstick holder, I like calling it, because you can probably put a lipstick in here. And it's just really spacious. Like, I put my insulin in here, I put my little snacks in here, wallet, keys, lotion, lip gloss. You can put a lot of things in here for this bag to be really small. For this part right here, it has CC and CC, and I really like this part because I know for a fact this is not gonna like fall off while I'm wearing it or like get undone. So you know this is going to be really secure. And the handle is really sturdy too. It's not cheap and flimsy. This is really good quality too. Still shiny, still pretty. You can wear it like this and have the chains hanging out so it can give it more of a look, or you can just wear it like this, wear it as like this. It's just so many different ways on like how you could wear this. I did scratch it a little bit. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's not that bad. It's just like a light scratch. So maybe if you're like more rough with your bags, I recommend you guys getting the caviar instead of lambskin. Okay, so enough of that bag. And you know, I had to get a wallet with that bag because why not? But I didn't want to get like a typical Chanel wallet because I already have one, and it's just, I don't know, I'm trying to test out different brands. And I realized too that I don't really have anything YSL besides my all black on black bag that I have, my envelope bag. Or is it the envelope bag? I don't know, it's a pretty decent medium-sized bag, and that's the only YSL bag that I have, or anything that's YSL. So your girl had to get something that's YSL, and I've been wearing this lately too. Like, once I got it, I immediately put this in my purse. This is what the wallet comes in. It comes in this cute little dust bag. Like, this is so cute, like so cute. Then once you take it out, it looks like this. And I was really planning to get this in silver, like the hardware in silver. I gravitated towards the gold more, so I'm like, maybe next time. Decided to get this one in gold. Super pretty, super shiny. I still have the little plastic on this part still because I don't want it to get scratched up or anything, so I'm gonna just leave it like that. And you can't even tell that I have it on there, but on this part it does say Saint Laurent Paris. Everything on the hardware is gold, and this is the type of material I'm talking about, like that caviar type of material. Is not as, how should I say this, it's not as harsh as this on the Chanel, but it has this type of material if you were to get the caviar with the top handle Chanel bag. Next time, hopefully I'll get this one in a nudie tan color, maybe, or the white one. Wait, do they have a white one? I'm not sure. Probably, because they do have like a lot of different colors you can choose from with this wallet, or keychain wallet. I don't even know what to call it. You can put your keys on here, so that's what I did. This is really sturdy too, the chain part. On the inside of the wallet, it's really spacious. It has Saint Laurent in here, and like the little logo tag thing on the inside. Yeah, it's just a typical wallet that you can put anything in here. It's really spacious. A lot can fit in here. So yeah, this is what the wallet looks like. And honestly, do not know what's on here. I think this is like hair stuff, but yeah, do not mind that. But this is really cute, and I just love this. These are the two items that I got for this luxury unboxing haul. Like I said, if you know, you know, and if you don't, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, then DM me if you have any questions or concerns. Let me know what other luxury brands or other bags or wallets or whatever I should try out. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the harmony, and of course click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, like, oh my gosh, I love saying that, especially the way I say it. It's just like, I'll be like like period, point blank, like, you know, like every time I upload. Okay, like, you know how I be saying that, like I just love saying that. But anyway, love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.